Hello everyone! We are from second group. My name is Salsabila.
My name is Mutiara.
My name is Anita Rania.
My name is Salsabila Ifutami.
My name is Albian Alusabi.
My name is Ridwan.
My name is Dipa Parisusri.
Once upon a time, a king apple. The tree is robbed of one golden apple during the night. He set his gardener's sons to watch and took the first to fall asleep. The youngest stayed awake and sees that the type is a golden bird. He tries to start it, but only knocks a feather off. The feather is so valuable that the king decides he must have the bird. He sends his gardener's 3 sons, one after another, to capture the priceless golden bird.
The sun is waiting a talking fox, who gave them advice for their quiz to choose an old and Sabian operates in prison 1. The first to soon ignore the imprisonment. In the prisoning, abandon their quest. The third obeys the fox, so the fox advised him to take the bird his own child from the castle in which it lives, instead of putting it into the golden chest next to it, because this is a signal.
But disobeys, and the golden bird throws the castle, resulting in his capture. The king of the castle agrees to spare him and give him the golden bird only if he can retrieve the golden horse. The fox advises him to ask a robbery later celebrated that a golden horse, which is a signal again. But he fails again by putting a golden saddle on a horse, resulting in his capture by a different castle. This capture king sent him after the princess from the golden castle.
Say farewell to her parents, but he disobeys when the prince's father ordered him to remove a hair in 8 days as the price of his life. The fox removes it for him, and then as they set out, he advises in French how to keep all the things he has won since then. It then asks the princess to shoot it and part of the head. When the prince refuses, he warns him again, buying the blow west and sitting on the end of river.
He finds that his older brother, who have been crossing and living simply in the meantime, are to be hanged on the gallows and lose their liberty. They find out what he has done when he sits on a river's edge. They push him in, take the bird, horse, and princess, and bring them to their father. However, all 3 before the young section. The fox raises the price, and when he returns to his father's castle dresses in the bigger cloak. The bird, the horse, and the princess all recognize him as the man who won them and become careful again. His older brother got punished for their good deeds and he marries the princess.
Finally, the third son cuts off the fox's head and feet at the creator's request. The fox is revealed to be a man, the brother of the princess who had been enchanted by a witch after being lost for a great many years.
Thank you for watching.
Bye.
Bye.
Subscribe now Citrawata.